Hey guys, sorry, I've had a couple of questions about peer review, and I'm sorry about the questions. I think they might have been set up incorrectly. So first, before I show you, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give you an extra day, a full day, to submit your draft for peer review. So by the end of the day tomorrow, rather than today, and then I'll give you a full extra day to actually work on getting your evaluation of your peers done. So instead of turning it in by Sunday, you'll do it by Monday. So here's what this will look like. When you click on Module 3 Peer Review, or you come down here, you'll see View or Complete Assessment. When you click on that, um, you'll see your instructions, which go through what I was talking about in the other video about kind of how you should frame this or how you should guide it. It tells you that you're going to be expected to evaluate 2 other students, and that you have until the end of the day tomorrow to submit yours. And then you have until starting the 17th until the 20th to actually um, evaluate your peers. So starting Friday into Monday. So here is what this should look like now, and this should be corrected. You'll see 2 questions. Ignore question 2. You don't need that. And you'll just see question 1 here. When you click on that, it gives you just these instructions. Attach your draft to the article map here, and then on the 17th, return here to evaluate 2 of your peers between the 17th and the 20th. So in here, you can either paste in your article, or you can just hit Browse Local Files and attach it as a Word document. Either of those will be fine. Either of those will help your peers read this. And then once you've done that, then you can hit Next. And it takes you to this other one that this is question 2. You can just ignore it. You can hit Submit with an empty box there. That's fine. And it'll bring you back here. This is what you'll see. Starting on the 17th, you'll be able to come back here. And when you go back to just the basic landing page here, starting on the 17th, when you hit View or Complete Assessment, it should take you to your evaluation, where you'll see that you are being asked to evaluate 2 peers. And I'll show you what that looks like, just so that you're clear. Oh, I have to do this again, sorry. We'll go to Module 3, Peer Review, View Complete Assessment, and I'm going to go into a preview mode of the evaluation. Here's what this will look like. It'll show you that you have 2 users, 2 peers that you have to evaluate. And so you'll click on one of them, for example, using this guidance. And it's going to show you their submission. So there'll either be an attachment here or you'll see the text of their draft. And then you have 2 criteria questions to answer. Criteria 1 is asking you to evaluate this for its strengths. Go back to the rubric, go back to the assignment descriptions. What are some strengths? Which you can type in here. And if they've submitted a draft here, I want you just to allocate 25 points. You'll hit that click. But then give your written feedback here. That should be sentences that you use that refer to parts of the paper. And then you'll go up here and click on question 2. And you'll have some questions here about what are some growth areas for this paper. And you'll do the same thing. Give it full points if it's attached, if they actually have the draft, and then write their feedback here in this box. And then submit, and then do it again for the next one. This is what will be available starting on the 17th. Starting on the 17th, so the day after it's due. So I'm giving you an extra day to submit them, and then an extra day to actually then evaluate your peers. Sorry about the trouble with this. I think it's a little different from what I have seen in Blackboard before. So this is a good experiment. If anybody has issues, don't sweat it. Email me, let me know, as long as you're getting this attached, I'm happy to work with you um, and make sure you get credit for this. So this is my little explainer. Let me know if I can help. All right. Bye, guys.